class. I am Khalsa. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of the aliphatic amine. In the previous class we will discuss about the basic character or basic nature of aliphatic amine. And today we will also discuss the chemical properties of aliphatic amine in the various type of reaction. Where an aliphatic amine combines with other substance and what happens. And chemical properties of aliphatic amine, the following reaction are takes place. The following are mainly. First one is alkylation. Second one is acylation. Pentylation, carbylamine reaction. 50 reaction with nitrous acid, reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. Chemical properties of aliphatic amine, the following points will be discussed. One is alkylation, second one is acylation, third one is benzoylation, fourth is carbylamine reaction, fifth is reaction with nitrous acid, and sixth is reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride. So, first alkylation. We have know what is alkylation. Alkylation, where aliphatic amine combines with alkyl halide. Again I repeat that, where aliphatic amine combines with alkyl halide, then various type of amines are formed. Suppose for example, when 1 degree amine combines with a alkyl halide, then 2 degree amine is formed. Again 2 degree amine undergoes alkylation, then 3 degree amine is formed, and the fourth is the again 3 degree amine when combines with or reacts with alkyl halide, then quaternary ammonium salt is formed. The general reaction is when primary amine reacts with alkyl halide, when HX is removed, then R2MH is formed. Then 2 degree amine is formed. Similarly, when 2 degree amine undergoes alkylation by removal of HX, then R3N is formed. That is 3 degree amine. Again, when 3 degree amine undergoes alkylation, then quaternary ammonium salt is formed. That is quaternary ammonium salt is formed. Again I repeat that, when 1 degree amine undergoes alkylation, then 2 degree amine is formed. And 2 degree amine undergoes alkylation, then 3 degree amine is formed. Similarly, when 3 degree amine undergoes alkylation, then quaternary ammonium salt is formed. Where R equal to any alkyl group. You can use R equal to methyl group or ethyl group. Then we proceed to the next one is acylation reaction. acylation reaction. What is acylation reaction? Where amine reacts with acid chloride or acid anhydride or ester. When amine reacts with acid chloride or acid anhydride or ester, then different type of product are formed. This reaction is known as acylation reaction. Here the acyl group must be present. Then its general reaction is when 1 degree amine then what are the product can be formed? When 1 degree amine under or when 1 degree amine undergoes acylation or when 1 degree amine reacts with acid chloride, then an alkanamide is formed. Here the following reaction takes place. Here the amine or aliphatic amine, the lone pair of the nitrogen atom attack to the carbonyl compound or that is carbon, which undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. That when the lone pair attack to the carbon, the shifting of double bond changes takes place and negative charge can be on the oxygen atom. Then an intermediate can be formed again HX. Here H and Cl can be removed out, then an alkanamide can be formed. For example, where R equal to any alkyl group, R equal to any alkyl group. If we putting R equal to ethyl, C2H5 plus when ethanamine, where ethanamine when an ethanamine reacts with ethanoyl chloride, then an ethyl ethanamide can be formed. This is the acylation reaction. Instead of primary amine, we also take the secondary amine, and the same reaction can be takes place. While taking this example, that ethylamine, or here we taking 2 degree amine. You have to replace hydrogen instead of R, then column takes place, then R should be taken, then R. It is add an dialkyl alkanamide is formed. In primary amine when undergoes acylation or reacts with acid chloride, then N-alkyl alkanamide is formed. Again, similarly when 2-degree amine reacts with acid chloride, then N-dialkyl alkanamide can be formed. Instead of you can use any alkyl group. Then we proceed the next benzoylation reaction. Benzoylation reaction is similarly this type where amine or aliphatic amine reacts with benzoyl chloride. This reaction is called benzoylation reaction of amine. Benzoylation reaction. So this reaction is same as the acylation reaction, but here instead of acid chloride, benzoyl chloride can be taken. Then same compound will be formed of an alkanamide. Benzoylation reaction. For example, taking here an example that CH3 NH2 plus C6 H5 CO Cl. Here also same mechanism takes place, that is benzoyl chloride. That is methanamide product A. Here, when and 1-degree amine reacts with benzoyl chloride, then benzanilide is formed. This reaction is called benzoylation reaction. Then we proceed to the next carbyl amine reaction. It is also important main reaction in the organic chemistry, and several times question asking that. Another one is carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction, where 1-degree amine reacts with chloroform in presence of a base, that is KOH or NaOH, then alkyl isocyanide is formed or carbyl amine is formed. This is Hausmann. Carbyl amine reaction. The general reaction is RNH2 plus CHCl3 plus 3 KOH This is carbyl amine reaction. Again I repeat that when 1-degree amine reacts with chloroform in presence of base that is ethanolic KOH, then alkyl isocyanide or carbyl amine is formed. This is Hausmann is formed along with KCl and H2O. This this reaction is called carbylamine reaction. It is also important name reaction that we can distinguish which is the 1 degree amine, or it is a specific reaction for 1 degree amine, that is called carbylamine reaction. Then we proceed to the reaction with nitrous acid. In reaction with nitrous acid, it is an important reaction that we can distinguish between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. So what happens when amine reacts with nitrous acid? One degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. When 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, and when 2 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, and when 3 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid HNO2, which can be formed by NaNO2 plus HCl. So what happens when 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then alcohol is formed. That is general reaction NH2 plus HNO2 in presence, or that is NaNO2 plus HCl. Then ROH plus N2 plus, that is alcohol is formed. Then when 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then alcohol is formed. But when 2 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then N-nitrosamine is formed. N-nitrosamine is formed. Similarly, when 3 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then trialkyl ammonium nitrite is formed. Then when amine or different type of amine reacts with nitrous acid, or it is a question that distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. When we distinguish between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine, when by using with nitrous acid or reacts with nitrous acid. So it is an important reaction that we can distinguish between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. Again I repeat that how 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine can be distinguished. Where 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then alcohol can be formed. Similarly, when 2 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid, then N-nitrosamine is formed. Then when tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid, then trialkyl ammonium nitrite is formed. This is the important reaction that we can distinguish between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. Then we proceed to the next point, that is reaction with aryl sulfonic chloride. reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride, or that is called Hinsberg reagent. So it is also important reaction that we can distinguish between 1 degree amine and 2 degree amine. What happens? What are the product formed when 1 degree and 2 degree amine reacts with Hinsberg reagent? Then when 1 degree amine reacts with aryl sulfonyl chloride, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride or Hinsberg reagent, then a product is formed which is soluble in alkali. But when 2 degree amine reacts with Hinsberg reagent, then a product is formed which is not soluble in alkali. So let us know what happens when 1 degree amine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride. When 1 degree amine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride, then N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide which is soluble in alkali. When 2 degree amine reacts with Hinsberg reagent or benzene sulfonyl chloride, then N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide is formed, but which is insoluble in alkali. That is the another distinction between 1 degree amine and 2 degree amine. So again, for overall of the chemical properties of the aliphatic amine, first one is alkylation reaction, second one is acylation reaction, third one is benzoylation reaction, fourth one is carbylamine reaction, fifth is reaction with nitrous acid. That is reaction with nitrous acid and reaction with aryl sulfonyl chloride or Hinsberg reagent can be used to distinguish between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine, or that is various type of amine. So today we will finish the chapter that is aliphatic amine. Thank you.